Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cornbread without eggs and milk. First, gather your dry ingredients. 1 1/2 cups of cornmeal, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Whisk these together thoroughly in a large bowl. This ensures even distribution of leavening agents for a perfect rise. Now, let's focus on our liquid ingredients and substitutions. Instead of dairy milk, use 1 1/4 cups of your favorite plant-based milk, like almond or soy. For the eggs, 1/4 cup of unsweetened applesauce works wonderfully as a binder and adds moisture. Finally, incorporate 1/3 cup of vegetable oil to ensure your cornbread remains tender and rich. Whisk these wet ingredients together separately. It's time to bring everything together. Gently pour your wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Stir until just combined. Overmixing can lead to tough cornbread. Transfer the batter into a greased 9-inch baking pan. Bake in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let it cool slightly before serving. Your delicious, egg and milk-free cornbread is now ready to enjoy. It's perfect served warm with a dollop of vegan butter, a drizzle of maple syrup, or alongside a hearty bowl of chili. Store any leftovers in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days to maintain its freshness. For more great tips and resources, including a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, check out the links and deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.